Hey guys, what's up? I had a few people comment today on TikTok and ask me about my opinion on the new KX112. So I wanted to put a quick video out there just addressing my thoughts, and we can check this thing out together right here. So first of all, let's go. Is it Dirt Bike Magazine? Yeah, let's go to their page and see what they're talking about. X Brand Goggles presents Kawasaki 2022 range. So from this first picture right here, I can tell there's definitely been a color swap. Looks like all the models now have green number plates and green side plates, which I absolutely love. I wish all the brands would swap the plates to the color of the bike. Yamaha's with blue plates look sick. The Hondas with red plates, just the more color the better. I wish we'd get rid of everything black and white, but I don't want to go any further off on that rambling tangent. So they announced their 2022 line of off-road and MX motorcycles today, or this may have been yesterday, but the biggest news is obviously the KX112, and for that I say it's about time. Honestly surprised it took a manufacturer this many years to put out a Super Mini. Yes, the KX100, yes, the big wheels or whatever, but the Super Mini class is not a 100cc class. It's a 114 or 113? I've been out of mini racing so long. There's no reason to have a 99cc bike. You need the 112 or 113cc bike. So this makes sense. And this is just another thing that, in my opinion, Cowie should have done 20 years ago. Just like, and you guys know, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to Cowie. I was all Cowie for 15 years. I've had 12 or 13 different KX450s. I raced 125s. I raced the 04 KX250F, in all its glory. And that bike was a piece of garbage, and I was racing that competitively in 04 and 05. So I'm a Cowie guy, man. I still own more Cowies than I do KTMs to this day, and that KX250X and 450X, yeah, Cowie should have done that 20 years ago. They'd have sold so many more bikes. They should have embraced the off-road scene, but here I am rambling again. So let's go on down and see what's new. So they got the KX112, updated KX85, and then the rest of the KX and KLX lines are pretty much unchanged. So the KX85 and 112, supposedly stronger transmission, Dunlop MX33s, and revised styling. The MX33s, I'm not a Dunlop guy, but those are fine for mini bikes. Better cooling, better transmission. Those are fantastic upgrades. Obviously, the CC upgrade on the 112 is fantastic. Only thing that kind of bums me out is this styling they went to it goes back to like the was it like 17 to 19 or 17 to 20 KX250F that had this style shroud, and I hated it. And it's a little different on this. It'll probably grow on me, but they should have updated this to like, the 19 to 21 450 shroud, which is pretty sick looking. So all right, moving on. Okay, so yeah, guys, for the 65, you just have the color change. For the 85, you get the increased cooling, you get the stronger transmission, and then the 112, you get all that, obviously plus the CC increase. That's going to put these bikes at, man, it's crazy. I remember when you could pick these things up for sub 3,000 all day. $49.99 for the 112. The 85 comes in $500 cheaper at $44.99. Cowie claims both of these are available now. So, am I happy that Cowie made these upgrades? Yeah, this puts them. These are good bikes, especially for kids that aren't top level amateurs yet. Maybe just getting into the sport or intermediate level. These bikes are fine. They're a cheaper way to race motocross than a KTM. They are not as good as a KTM, not nearly. But this, this is one of many steps they could take to bridge that gap. But in my opinion, it's steps they should have taken, years ago. So, yeah. Thanks, Kawasaki. Keep the updates coming. And that's kind of my 2 cents on the matter. So, I'm pumped to see a Japanese company making, giving us any more options or making any upgrades is a plus in my book. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.